Hey, I'm Didi, CEO of TheWise.ai. TheWise.ai is a marketing automation platform. It's a SaaS tool where we bring in data plus creativity together with the power of AI to help marketers simplify the process of campaign. So can we have this problem? Just give me a minute. Yes. So this is Sam. I'm going to tell you the story of Sam. Sam is a marketer who has a knack for creativity and a love for data. But like any other marketer in the huge global ad industry, which is expected at $600 billion this year, Sam is overwhelmed always. Why? Because marketing, which is a beautiful mix of science and art, is a complex puzzle with countless permutations. Although Sam has access to a lot of data, he effectively only utilizes 30% of it. And the rest, 70%, which is a gold mine of potential insights, is completely left untapped due to the sheer complexity and the volume of information. And this leads to subpar return on investments. And that's a lot of underutilized resources, right? Insights, right? And now let's entertain a very powerful thought. Okay. Picture an AI that can lift this heavy load from Sam's shoulders. An AI that understands this delicate balance in marketing. It sifts through all the complexities for Sam and serves up the perfect marketing recipe every time. Could there be a path to success that is both repeatable and adaptable every time in this vast market? So that is precisely where the Wise.ai enters the picture. Our USP lies in our unique offerings. Our AI powered platform learns from numerous marketing campaigns. So we have all the intelligence of every industry that we operate in. It grasps the unique flavor of the campaigns and creates highly successful data backed marketing strategies. Okay, so back to Sam. With the Wise.ai, Sam can now automate campaign ideation. So this would be the campaign ideation tool with Campaign Wizard. He can also craft personalized content. This is our generative AI model for the content creation and promote it across various channels, including influencer hubs, an ads hub, and a PR hub. Okay, so our tool becomes Sam's personal digital marketing consultant and executor, offering relevant recommendations and ensuring his marketing efforts are both quantifiable, results oriented, and successful consistently. So now Sam is no longer swimming against a data tsunami, but he's surfing on top of it, making the most of every single data point. Any questions so far?
Go ahead and I finish. I'll have a bunch of questions. It sounds
Okay,
really
all right.
interesting. Thank you.
Thank you. So this transformation is possible because a platform is not just smart, but we have put in a lot of effort to make it incredibly user-friendly, as you see here. It's so intuitive that even a person without a marketing background can ideate, implement, and evaluate the marketing campaigns. And this is a monetization model. It includes tiered subscriptions and a commission-based model for two platforms, which is the ad platform and the PR platform. So this offers a sustainable and scalable path to profits. And our target market initially is the marketing agencies, and then we target the SMEs, and finally the enterprises, just like the one where Sam works. And this is the team behind the Wise.ai, which is also our strongest asset. As the CEO with over a decade of experience in the marketing industry and a track record of steering MetaWise into a successful marketing company, I'm driving our vision forward. Cruz, so he's our CEO and he brings his expertise of enterprise level digital transformations. And he also manages SaaS products across for international rollouts. And also, it's to be noted that Cruise has a dev shop in India where we have engineers building a product. And Sam, our CPO and machine learning expert, works with our ML models. Mithilesh is a data scientist with this deep understanding of data science. He's also from ex Verizon and Yahoo. And Shreyan Mehta, he's a CTO, he's a tech pillar, completely experienced with AI and Stack. He's already launched a couple of GPT products. And Sasi, our platform architect, is completely hands-on, can write, develop any code, any product, any MVP. Very, technically and domain expertise team. And right now we did user feedback survey with our potential users, and we got a very good user traction so far. We validated our concept with 50 plus potential customers across industries, across global locations, and the response was overwhelmingly positive. So 97% of the people, they wanted to try our beta product. And the key highlights was that they really love the campaign wizard, which gathers all the data and inputs the creativity and makes everything in a platter for them. And the smart automation features, the UI, and our deep analytics. We are gearing up for our beta in so these are some of the user survey feedback. And we are gearing up for our beta launch in Q1 2024 here. And we are on track to start a paid pilot shortly after that. So, we also have completed the MVP of the Campaign Wizard module, okay, which is the brain of the TheWise.ai. If anyone is interested, I'm happy to play the prototype for you. And yeah, so right now, with this MVP of Campaign Wizard, we want to seek for an angel round investment of 500K. Yeah, so all are welcome. Any questions, Mariana?
Yes, I have many. So we never found an AI platform that has marketing or speeding up of routine tasks to us that we didn't love. So we adopted a newsletter that's AI powered back in 2020. So we're kind of early adopters. So in terms of the breakthrough components that the Wise.ai does compared to what's available now with ChatGPT and Bard and everything else, is it because it's aggregating the AI applications in one platform? Is that kind of the idea behind it, so that you as a marketer can just go to one place and have everything automated?
It's not just the automation, it's making best use of all the data inputs. For example, Chat GPT, okay, it helps with content creation. Definitely a good tool, right? So HubSpot, very good with CRM, email marketing. If you see here, SEMrush, very good with SEO. And Copy.ai, Jasper, all of these are again Gen AI tools. This WebBlaze is a Web3 community building tool. But if you see, any marketer on an average has to use around 6 to 7 tools to complete one campaign execution end to end. And so much of data is lost. We are trying to make it seamless. Also, we are not promising that this is an all-in-one marketing platform. We are only trying to combine the marketing ideation, promotion, execution, and promotion part. Right? For example, we do not offer email marketing. We do not offer SEO. So this is the thing, Mariana. The Wise, right? It'll know about you. Actually, I think it would be best if I can show you the prototype. If that's okay, this is going to take 3 minutes time.
Yes, please do.
Okay. Uh, are you able to see my screen, which is a Loom video screen?
It says powerful campaign, effortless execution. Is that the screen?
Okay. No, powerful campaign. Yes, that's the screen. That's right. Yeah.
We see it.
Okay. I'm just going to play.
TheWise.ai is a AI-based marketing
Are you able to hear the audio?
Yes, it's perfect.
Okay.
automation platform where we help our users ideate marketing ideas, campaign ideas, execute them, and also to promote them. So we use the data plus creativity to do this. And I'm going to show you the prototype of the Campaign Wizard module. So this module is the brain of our platform, which uses a lot of data and creativity and helps you with idea generation. So this is the main page. All you have to do is your company's URL. In this case, we've given Dolce& and Gabbana, and let's get started. So the next thing that happens is it fetches data, and here we have a company, the company's details scrapped and also the industry tags associated. And based on this, we recommend your closest competitors. You can have a check here and add them to the systems research and understanding. And if you have a competitor in mind but it's not there, you can add them manually. So that is happening here, and we are selecting two competitors, and then we have a small questionnaire to understand more about your target users and what campaign ideas you have. And most of the suggestions you see are auto suggested, specific for that particular industry, so it's easier for users. We like to keep user input as minimum as possible. And yeah, so we try to understand about the target audience, psychometrics, demographics, and yeah, if you have past campaign information, you can give them here. And campaign goals, highly recommend that the users input this. And if they don't have any idea, they can always say, I don't have any idea. And then the channel of promotion, the budget, the timeline. Yeah, so the campaign strategy approach, if you want the campaign to be ROI driven or creativity driven, and the KPI is analyzing, trying to put all the data that it has, the intelligence and the creativity together. And yeah, the system now generates 3 campaign ideas, okay, with a description, with the idea, and the marketing approach and strategy. So you can go through it, and you can select the one that is most preferable for you. Yeah, and assuming we're selecting DNG streetwear, then a very detailed executional page of how the campaign should be executed comes. Right, so this goes into the details of how best we can do it. So this is the first module, and the next modules will be actually publishing the content online for the campaign, and the third module will be the promotions via Influencer Hub, Press Hub, and so on. Thank you.
So that was the, prototype. So as you see, right, the system will have the intelligence about you because we, web scrap and get the data. Then we already can match the most ideal competitors, and you also agree to whichever competitors you would want to agree. So we know completely about the competitors, the campaigns that they've run, the best practices in the industry, how the market is changing, right? So this is very difficult for a normal marketer to track in several Excel sheets and then come to a strategy. That's why many of the times, even after so much of data crunching and trying to arrive on the best decision, sometimes campaigns don't work because the market changes, right? And the user sentiment changes. So we try to analyze everything and then, help uh, produce the best result for the campaign. If the user says, I want an ROI driven campaign, that's my goal, then we will think accordingly to, get the best ROI. If the user says, okay, I want a creative campaign, then we will try to break the grounds and, make the impact. That's how it works.